Hello everyone, we are going to see the lesson number 10 of subject geography, human occupations, standard 6th. See students, we are going to see the human occupations. Which are the human occupations that are given here in this lesson? See here students, some pictures are given here. You can have the look on it. The first picture is given here, and in that picture some cattle are grazing. In the second picture, one woman is collecting the milk. Yes, no, she means she is obtaining, she is getting the milk from the cattle and from the cow. Here the milk is collected in one dairy. Okay, and the next is this the transportation of that milk is happening here, means from one place to another place the transportation of milk is going on. Then see here is picture, that is E, that some productions are made out of the milk. Okay, so butter is there, then ghee is there, okay, shrikhand is there. Okay, some processing is done on the milk and new products are made. And here this person is providing the facility of various products of milk. Okay, means see here students, the first picture, if you see, that person is grazing the cattle in the farm or in the meadow. Okay now students, and means these cattle are the part of nature. Okay, no, they are grazing the grass. Okay, they are eating the grass, and from that cattle's milk is obtained. Okay, milk is gained. So see students, these are the questions given here. Okay, you can go through in detail afterwards students. Okay, so last question is there, last two questions are there. What would be the main difference between milk and milk products? Okay, so milk is perishable. Okay, it can be spoiled very early, but milk products, from that milk which milk products are made, these are durable, these last for long time. Okay, and the last one is there, do these products perish quickly like milk? Okay, so no, it doesn't get spoiled, okay, as milk get. Okay, no, so these are the given. So students, here see that above all the pictures are related to the rearing of domestic animals. Okay, these are the rearing means keeping the animals in the home, that is rearing. Okay, so from milk we get the various types of products, that is ghee, butter, cheese, shrikhand, paneer, milk powder. This type of products are again. Okay, no, means on that milk, okay, processing is done in the machineries, and then after we get the new products from it. Okay, so these all the activities are carried out on different levels. Okay, these are activities that were carried out on different levels, and all these activities satisfy our needs. Okay, why this processing is done? To satisfy our needs. So we classify these activities on the basis of their nature and the products they yield. Now see here students, so questions are given, which of these activities is undertaken to obtain a product from nature? Okay, which activities is undertaken? That is of grazing the cattle and obtaining the milk. Okay, no, so which product is obtained? That is obviously milk. Then how long does this product last? Only for some hours. Okay, no, it will be for 12 hours. Then which service did the milk producer get through this activity? He gives the service to the people to give them various products of milk. Okay, now and in that he gets money. Now see, so so where is the milk being taken and what happens to the milk thereafter? So milk is collected in the dairy, and then after it is processed. Okay, it is transportation from through transportation through the trucks or tankers. Okay, this is carried or it is taken away from one place to another. Okay, so which milk products you can see in the picture? That is, see here, butter, ghee is there. Okay, srikhand is made there. Okay, and some type of inspection is also going on. Okay, now what does the shopkeeper do? Who inspects these products? Food inspector is there. Okay, who inspects these products? That is, food inspector is there, and he inspects the food, the milk. Then what does the shopkeeper do with these uh, products? He sells these products and gets the money. So which of these products are perishable and which are non-perishable? Perishable, that is, see here students,